Here we go. This, dear viewers, is the new home and restaurant of our host, Miss Hong Kim Lai. And we will have a look on what's cooking today. So you get all kinds of street food here. And the good thing is, if you book it with us, you can basically, we have 3 menus or 3 dishes, but you can also try a little bit. So this is the minced pork. This is some chicken, and this is also some pork. And this, for example, that's not chocolate. What is it? It's blood from the so it's pork blood, and it's usually just cut in pieces, and then you will see it in soups. There we see the fish cakes. That will be fish cakes. So they pound it. And what kind of herbs is there? Can you try in? Yeah. And there's already packed, everything is the herbs. This one is a very nice herb, that's quite interesting. So Milea, who is with me, and our team member, can explain. That's in English it's called rice paddy fields, right?
Yeah.
What is the name in Khmer?
In Khmer we call it ma'om.
Ma'om?
Yes. It's a nice name.
And it's used also in soups?
Yes, especially for sour soup.
Okay. Yeah. And then there's something as well here. That's sometimes it's called estragon, but it's not the French estragon we know. The Khmer name is
Chi barang.
Chi barang. So barang means usually French. Yeah. So it would be translated to French herb, yes. But there's another name.
But sometimes people call it Chi rona.
And rona means?
Rona, it's like
a saw, right?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, and the reason is because if you take a closer look, I think that one is better, or this one is better.
It looks like
yeah, it looks like a saw on the side. Yep. So there are quite a lot of herbs. Usually you buy them on the market, and then let's see what's in. Oh my gosh, that looks already delicious. So this is, that's how my favorite meat, that's pork. And it's fried or cooked? So it's fried pork, and it's my absolute favorite. And over there?
There's some fish.
There's some fish?
Fried fish.
Oh, there's even more fish. Whoa. How much fish do you cook every day? How many kilos?
Now she cooks only 1 kilo per day. But before 3 kilos.
Vegetables, it's all cut already.
Yes.
And if you're a wholesaler, you can. Oh. This is bittergourd. That's usually filled, and that's for cocoa?
Yeah.
Oh. And there we have, that's pickled.
It's
Pickled by papai? Whoa. So everything is prepared. That means also it will be fresh. Right? And what you can see is, it's still cooked on the traditional open fire because it's hotter and it's faster. And they use the charcoal Someone just said recently to me that the Cambodian charcoal is hotter than any other when it burns. So now we can see a bit how to make fish what's it? Fish cakes. Okay, here we are. So now they're looking like balls, but a fish cake, as we know, is actually flat. So the water makes sure they're not falling apart.
She said before she made a fish cake like 3 kilograms a day, but now it's only 1.
Okay, so 3 kilos before, but now it's more quiet.
Yes.
So it's only 1 kilo per day.
And also because it's so useless.
Yeah.
So our customers sometimes they don't know.
But they're finding her? Oh, look, we can see something already. That's delicious. So they follow her? The customers?
She said some old customers, they come, and also new customers.
What she put into it? Is it soy sauce or? Yeah. Yeah, oil and what else? What makes the pork? Any? So soy sauce, yep.
Chili.
Chili,
Some
salt,
salt.
okay.
And sugar.
And palm sugar, yeah. So that gives it the brown color together with the soy sauce, right? And the sweet taste.
Yes. And a little bit of water.
Yeah. Some water, okay.
Yes. And boil it. And then she put oil.
Okay.
After the
So it's
water,
boiled first, and when the water is gone, then it will be a bit more fried with the oil. Okay. So it's kind of it's the typical stir fry process, but in a big pot. And she makes about 18 dishes a day, something like, or 12. Okay. So quite a lot every day. And for now her stuff is gone, right? Because she's alone.
Yeah, she's
Now we can see it's already getting some color. and then she mix it with the sausages. Because the sausages are done already, they just need to be heated up. What a nice color, and the color comes mostly from the palm sugar. And to make sure it looks nice, everything comes on a metal plate. They are also properly cleaned. So it's about 2 kilos of pork.
Yes.
How much is the pork now on the market?
It's
20,000? $4? Yeah. $5, yeah.
Depend of the part of the pork.
So it's filling up. By the way, to prevent mosquitoes for breeding, there's a small pond, and if you take a closer look, there are fishes in, and they will hopefully eat the mosquito larvae. And there's a barrier made from straws. You don't have to throw straws away, you can actually use them to make funny things. We have one host, Tuan Valeak, who is recycling straws, and she makes with yogurt cups and other plastic cups quite nice small pots for flowers.
And also now she made it with the bottle.
Also she makes it with bottles? Okay, so she's our recycling queen here in Siem. So that will be the main signature dish, right? What will that be?
Oh, it's
Chak nai.
fried
Fried ginger with chicken. So it has to have garlic, of course, and then a bit of salt, sugar, of course, and fish sauce. So if you want to learn how to cook this, you can actually book it at our website, dinewiththelocals.com, and spend a morning here. You have to be at 8 in the morning, and then you will cook for about an hour or so, up to you, and then you will have a breakfast together with our host. And since she doesn't speak English, we have Milea here, who is our helper and team member, and she will translate and explain as much as she can. She knows it pretty good already. now we're going back to the fish cakes. Ah, some lemongrass? Yeah. For tom yum? Ah, so that will be a tom yum. So tom yum is, most people know it as a Thai soup, but it's actually also very popular in Khmer. Many people eat tom yum here, right?
Yes.
You eat it very spicy?
Not very.
Not spicy. In Thailand it's very spicy. So as you see, the pork blood will be just cut in pieces. So it's tom yum with the blood.
Yes.
So usually when it's all in one basket, it will also mean it will come together in one pot. So it's basically she has one basket for this dish and another basket for that dish, and so all these baskets there. Wait a second, they're already prepared for the different dishes. So she told me once that some of the stuff she gets actually already cut down in the market, which is a bit time saving.
Yeah.
And then she can cook one after one. And since we are nearly finished here, we'll show you where it's sold. So when everything is done, it comes into these pots. And then these pots will be placed here. And then the customers, by the way, something I have to show you is this sauce. That is amazing. It's kind of it's fish sauce. It's very sweet, a bit spicy, and just delicious. Goes very good with the pork, but usually with fish, right? And pork. I use it for the fried pork. So, and if you know Siem Reap, then you will know this place very soon, because she just moved here. But it's opposite the, what is the hotel name? Samadevi Hotel. And that's the street. And again, that's the shop. And if you want to cook together, come to Siem Reap and book it on dinewiththelocals.com, and then you will have a great experience. Thank you for watching. We will upload the video also on YouTube, so you can see it later on our YouTube channel, on our website dinewiththelocals.com, and the video will also be available on our Facebook page, Dine with the Locals. Thank you, goodbye, thanks for watching.